Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. The regular puzzles in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 13th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. One puzzle is left, the regular jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles I will do in the evening. But first, let me start or continue with the jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 7088. Before I start, I always count a printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. 20 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 11. Jigsaw Sudoku. Sometimes we have jigsaw Sudokus 9 by 9 or 8 by 11. This one has 9. This one is a 9 by 11. Alright. So I think it's a 1-star puzzle. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1-star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box, our boxes is always a 1. Yeah, single box, always a 1. Do we have more? Yeah, another 1. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, ain't any dual boxes. I see triple boxes. 1 triple box here. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, this box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Let me mark this. 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, the 4 is already filled in. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Well. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Whatever you name it. Yeah. And the first shape that I need is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. Only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have only 2 shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes that you need to recognize. Well. Not a lot. Alright. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be here. And then These 3 boxes. Surround the 1, can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 to 5, 2 to 5. Alright, I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. We have double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay. Then. These are 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and the 3, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 to 5, 2 to 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. Now. Let me go up. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. The other pair in this W area shape. For the numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 1 there, double 4 there. That means that the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. The other pair in this area are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be and a 2 goes there. Okay, now. These 3, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. No 2. Come on. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place a 2 there. If I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. But we already have a 2 here. So not the solution. Place 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. 2 and 5. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. Well. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a double 4 now. That means that this box can be 4 and more. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 5 it goes there. Alright. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1. Can be 2. Should be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Okay. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Well, I don't think this box should be a 5. Because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. A 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1. This box can be 5. So 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay, and now. Well. I think this box should be a, well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1. Well, I don't think this box should be a 1, because if I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 3 marks. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, and this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4. It can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yeah, definitely 4, because we have a 5 here. Okay, can it be a 5? These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 14 minutes. Told you. Should be a 1 star. Faster than 50 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one here, so we'll do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.